Hey everyone, welcome back to Abhi. In today's video, we are creating this beautiful water flow simulation that follows a star shape path, all using fluid simulation in Blender. You will learn how to make a liquid follow any path using fluid physics and force field to get this magical result. And hey, if your Blender scene looks different than mine, I have got you covered. You can download my custom default scene with all the render settings from my Gumroad page, link is in description. It's completely free, so feel free to grab it and follow along. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, delete the default cube, then go to Edit, Preference, search for Extra in Add-ons tab and enable Extra Curve Objects. Next, press Shift A, go to Curve, Profile and select Star. In the Properties panel, set the star point to 5 and change the shape to 3D. Enter Edit mode, press R to rotate and position it how you like. Now, add UV sphere, go to Edit mode and press S to scale it down. Then back to Object mode, press G plus Y to move it along the Y axis. Then right click and choose Set Smooth. This will be our fluid emitter. Next press Shift A, add a plane, scale it up and position it to surround the sphere and star path. Go to Edit mode and press E to extrude it upward to make a container. This will be our fluid domain. To keep the things clean, select the domain, go to the Object Data Properties, open the Viewport Display and change the display to wire. Next, select the sphere emitter, go to the Physics tab, click on Fluid, set the type to flow, flow type to liquid and flow behavior to inflow. Now select the domain, again go to the Physics tab, set the type to domain and domain type to liquid. Increase the resolution division to 128 for better quality. Set your timelines end frame based on your animation. Go to Cache section, pick a folder destination, match end frame to timeline, set the cache type to all and enable is resumable. Now to make the liquid follow the star path, select the star curve, go to the Physics tab, add a force field, change the shape to curve, set the strength to -3.5 and flow to 1. Now select the domain again and click Bake All. This might take a few minutes depending on your system performance. Once it bakes, hit the spacebar to preview. Your liquid should now follow the star path beautifully. Next, let's add some finishing touches. Add a ground plane, scale and position it around the container. Rename all the objects properly for better organization. Now, as you can see, I have gone ahead and added a few extra street props for background detail. Then, I have set up a camera with some smooth animation. On frame 1, set the focal into 35, position the camera and keyframe it. At the last frame, I have changed the focal into 40 and reposition it. I have also added an empty object and enabled the depth of field to focus the camera using the empty with f-stop set to 0.5. Next, go to the render properties, open the color management, set the view transform to Chronos PB on neutral and look to medium high contrast for a cinematic touch. In the output properties, I have set the frame rate and resolution as needed. To make the camera track the simulation, select it, go to the constraint tab, add a track to constraint and target the star curve. Now, when the camera moves, it smoothly tracks the fluid flow around the star. Next, I have added an area light, set the power to 220 and size to 4. This lights up the scene evenly. Select the sphere, go to the object data properties, expand the visibility and uncheck render so it wouldn't be visible in the final output. In the shader editor, for the ground, I have used a wet crack road texture with a custom node setup and adjusted the scale. For the domain, I have created a simple water material with transparent and glassy look. For the world lighting, I have used a HDRI setup with brightness around 1.5 to enhance the reflections. In the compositor, I have added a basic node setup for a glare and contrast tweaks to really make the scene pop. And that's it, you have just created a super satisfying star-shaped liquid simulation that follows any path all inside Blender. If you have followed along and post your version on Instagram, feel free to tag me. I did love to see what you have made. Also, if you did like to explore and learn this scene in more detail, you can get the full project file from my Gumroad page. Link is in description. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next video. Follow Abhi for more.